Let's make some kebab and vegetable stir fry in the air fryer. I've taken half kg chicken keema here. I've got some green onions, peppers, red onions, and chopped coriander. Make sure that everything is finely chopped. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, a teaspoon of paprika powder, salt, cumin powder, coriander powder, black pepper, dried herbs, garam masala, chaat masala. This is optional. Mix everything. This is how your mixture should look like. Put some water on your hands and make kebabs. I've made the kebabs. Taken some vegetables here, peppers, tomatoes, red onion and green onion. Just gonna take them into a bowl. A little bit of salt on it, paprika powder, black pepper, oil, a little bit of dark soy sauce, white vinegar, everything. I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic powder as well. Give it a good mix. Then take the air fryer, take the rack out of it, and I'm just gonna line the base. Gonna add all the vegetables here. Then I've got this rack like this. I'm gonna put this inside, and now I'm gonna place the kebabs on the rack. The juices of the kebabs will drip over the vegetables and make them more tasty. I'm gonna put these in the air fryer for 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. So I still got like 5 minutes to go on the timer. I just wanna flip the kebabs. They're almost done. I'm gonna put it back in the air fryer for the last 5 minutes. Kebabs and the vegetables are ready.